Fine. Come on, let's do it again.
Okay, let's just. So, do you want to tell everybody what we're doing this for? What are you showing me?
Chinese New Year.
Show us, Ellen.
Pretend you're kids.
I'm gonna move my car.
Shh, you're on video. Okay, what have you got here, Ellen?
Dragons.
Wow.
Asian Family, the book that we read for the background. Here's our map. Put them all.
Can you show me?
Yes, I don't remember which one's mine. These are music.
Can you read the red side?
Happy Year of the Rabbits.
Excellent.
Come on now. Here's our Asian family. And here's our lanterns. And here's a dragon.
That's so cool.
And a color. Did you get the middle?
I think so. Anything you want to say?